Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best benchtop jointers that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to upgrade your woodworking setup, these jointers will help you achieve smooth, flat, and accurate surfaces for your projects. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hotech 6-inch benchtop jointer. This machine features a 10.6 amp motor, which operates at 9,000 RPM, making it a decent choice for those working with softwoods and lighter hardwoods. The adjustable cutting depth, ranging from 0 to 3 millimeters, offers flexibility for a variety of tasks. The sturdy left and right tables provide stability, each measuring around 156 millimeters in width, which is sufficient for small to medium-sized projects. When it comes to design and build quality, the Hotech jointer is compact and durable, with its metal construction providing good longevity. However, at 24 pounds, it's lightweight enough to be portable, but this can sometimes compromise stability during heavier cuts. Unfortunately, user reviews are mixed, with an average rating of 2.8 stars. Complaints often highlight alignment issues and inconsistent cutting performance, making it less reliable for professional use. This jointer is best suited for hobbyists or DIYers who don't require high-end precision. While it comes at an attractive price point, the performance can be hit or miss. Pros include its affordability and decent motor power, but cons like inconsistent results and subpar customer feedback keep it at the bottom of our list. Coming in at number 4, we have the Hotech 10-inch benchtop planer and jointer combo. This unique product offers dual functionality as both a jointer and a planer, powered by a robust 13 amp motor that delivers 9,000 RPM. The standout feature here is its impressive 10-inch cutting width, making it a great choice for larger woodworking projects. Additionally, it includes a sturdy stand, which enhances stability during operation. The build quality is solid thanks to its iron base and metal construction. The jointer table spans 37.3 inches in length, providing ample workspace for flattening long boards. However, its hefty 85-pound weight makes it less portable than other options. Performance-wise, it delivers smooth and consistent feeding at 6 meters per minute, but user reviews suggest that it may require frequent adjustments to maintain accuracy. With a 3.1 star rating, it's clear there's room for improvement, particularly in its ease of use. This combo machine is ideal for serious woodworkers who need a versatile tool for both jointing and planing. While it's not the most beginner-friendly option, its dual functionality and powerful motor make it a good investment for larger-scale projects. Pros include its versatility and cutting width, while cons involve its bulkiness and moderate user feedback. At number 3 is the Craftsman Benchtop jointer, a premium option designed for both professional and serious hobbyist woodworkers. This jointer is powered by a 10 amp motor and features variable speed control, ranging from 6,000 to 11,000 RPM. With its 2-knife cutter head, you can achieve up to 22,000 cuts per minute, ensuring smooth, precise finishes even on hardwoods. The center-mounted fence enhances stability and accuracy, making this jointer a standout for edge jointing. In terms of build quality, the Craftsman CMEW020 boasts a robust and durable design, weighing in at 40 pounds. While it's not the lightest jointer, its weight contributes to stability during operation. The adjustable fence and depth of cut scale add to its usability, making setup quick and straightforward. However, at $349, it's the most expensive option on our list, which may not suit budget-conscious buyers. With a 4.4 star rating from over 600 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance and reliability. This jointer is best suited for professionals or advanced woodworkers who demand precision and versatility. Pros include its variable speed control, powerful performance, and excellent build quality. On the downside, the higher price tag and heavier weight might deter those looking for a more portable or economical option. Taking the number 2 spot is the Woodstarter 6-inch benchtop jointer. This jointer stands out for its high-performance 15-amp motor, which delivers up to 12,000 RPM, making it capable of tackling even the hardest woods with ease. It features a cutting depth of up to 1/8 inch and an adjustable fence that tilts between 90 degrees and 135 degrees, offering versatility for a variety of woodworking applications. The design is compact and beginner-friendly, weighing just 21 pounds, which makes it highly portable and easy to set up in smaller workshops. Despite its lightweight construction, the wood starter jointer maintains impressive durability thanks to its aluminum and metal build. User reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with a perfect 5-star rating, though it's worth noting that this product is relatively new to the market. This jointer is ideal for DIYers and small shop woodworkers who need a reliable and easy-to-use tool. Pros include its powerful motor, lightweight design, and overall versatility. The only notable downside is the limited availability of this model, making it harder to find at times. If you can get your hands on it, though, it's a great value for its performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the WEN JT630H 10-amp 6-inch spiral benchtop jointer. This is our top pick for its combination of affordability, performance, and ease of use. The 10-amp motor powers a spiral cutter head system with 12 staggered HSS blades, delivering an ultra-fine finish that rivals more expensive models. The spacious 30 by 6-inch table provides plenty of workspace, and the adjustable fence, which bevels up to 45 degrees, adds to its precision and flexibility. The WEN jointer is built with a cast iron base, ensuring stability and durability despite its 36.8-pound weight. The onboard depth of cut scale makes adjustments simple, and the included dust port helps keep your workspace clean. With a 4.6-star rating and over 900 reviews, it's clear that this jointer is a favorite among woodworkers for its reliability and value. This jointer is perfect for anyone from beginners to experienced woodworkers looking for a budget-friendly yet high-performing option. Pros include its affordable price, spiral cutter head system, and durable build. The only con is that it may struggle with very large or dense hardwoods, but for most everyday tasks, it's an excellent choice. This is why the WEN JT630H takes the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.